We're talking about artificial intelligence, right? We talk about that often in advanced. We're talking about a company in particular called phData or phData. I don't know how they say it, but you can say data or data either way. We have David Morton here with us.
That's right. Hey, what's up, man? I'm ready to talk about some crazy computer stuff.
Are you really here, or is this artificial
I'm a hologram.
intelligence?
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not here. Yeah.
All right, David. What do you think is one of the biggest challenges for you when it comes to technology? We'll start off simple, not go too deep into the AI yet.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I think these days one of my biggest problems with technology is that the more convenient and advanced it gets, the more it invades people's privacy. You know what I mean? Like the more that everything is Wi-Fi enabled and does this and is voice activated and does that, like the more our technology is starting to integrate with our lives, is the more of our lives that is like basically being recorded by some like digital sensors. Right?
But it is convenient, and that's appealing, right?
Yeah, well, the convenience is appealing, but it's also concerning.
Yes.
For those same reasons. Every time you get an extra convenience, you're kind of sacrificing something, and it's important to think of that.
Good point. Well, what is machine learning? We talk about that a lot in our article. What is it?
Machine learning is basically a process through which a machine can learn how to make a decision based upon being given multiple examples in order to recognize what something is, right? In order to kind of teach the machine, this is what this thing is, right? You write that into a program, and then that machine is able to go and independently perform that task because it knows what it's looking for.
Absolutely.
It's really a pretty fascinating field.
It is fascinating, quite technical, of course. Well, how do you think artificial intelligence could help the average business? That's what we're looking at in this article, how phData is helping businesses, hospitals, I believe they talk about, and so forth. How can artificial intelligence help businesses?
Well, I think a lot of like what artificial intelligence can do for businesses is like helping with things like, I don't know. For example, I worked at a textile recycler before, right? What if there was an AI system that could identify types of fabric, right? Or could scan the tags on clothes, or could identify different patterns, right? Different materials. Then instead of having, like we did before, a bunch of people on this conveyor belt that are like, as clothes are going by, we're looking through and sorting through, then a lot of that could be done actually through machines, right? That maybe have sensors that can tell what materials what, and that can like sort that out automatically. And then we can come by and do the refining work on the other end.
So that would cut some steps out and help you with efficiency, right?
Exactly. But it would also cut some jobs out. So you'd have to accommodate that on the other end, right?
Absolutely. well, thanks for joining us again for another segment of Insights. Thank you, David, for joining us this month. We'll see you next time here on Insights.
Oh, yeah.